When I first found Torben, he was as big as my thumb. He was just a day old. He looked prehistoric. He was with no feathers, just had a little bit of fuzz. We had some high winds and it blew the nest out of the wreath. I cupped him in my hand and kept him warm, and I just watched for the mother. I never saw her come back. He'd been out there too long and I brought him in. I Googled how to rescue a baby bird, how to feed a baby bird. I didn't think I could keep him alive. He weighed 14, 15 grams. We had to feed him every 15 minutes. I had to make little noises at him. I try to poke him and touch his beak until he opened his mouth.
Is that it?
He started getting stronger. In the morning, he would just open his mouth and start peeping at me to get fed. He looked like a tiny dinosaur. He put on 1 gram to 2 grams a day. He started getting little pin feathers. The feathers came in. He started flapping his wings and getting stronger. I took him outside a lot.
Funny. Funny baby.
He started flitting back and forth from me to the cage. The day that he flew away, I was feeding him on the porch and he flew up and was gone. And I thought, oh, he's gone now. That afternoon he came back. He would fly to me and sit on my hand and I could feed him. I used to say he was yelling at me. He'd see me come out the door and he'd always yell at me. It was just amazing. He would come 5 or 6 times a day and he'd fly away when he was done.
We'll see. There he goes. Come in.
And then I put a bird feeder in my garden and I saw him for a couple days. Then he's just stopped coming. I'm still amazed that I raised him. It's hard to believe that I did that.